जय हिंद दोस्तों। इंडिया इंग्लिश बोलेगा अभियान में आपका स्वागत है। अगर आप अंग्रेजी पढ़ सकते हैं तो बोल भी सकते हैं, और ठान लिए तो डेफिनेटली बोलेंगे। इंडिया इंग्लिश बोलेगा अभियान के तहत तो बेस्ट स्पीकर ऑफ द वीक का कंपटीशन करवाया जा रहा है, जिसमें बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं। आपको क्या करना है, आप भी पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं, घर पर प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं। प्रैक्टिस इज़ द की ऑफ योर इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग। इफ़ यू वांट स्पीक इंग्लिश फ्लुएंटली देन यू शुड डू द प्रैक्टिस एवरी डे। तो लोग स्टूडेंट जो हैं वो वीडियो बना के मुझे भेजते हैं। कंपटीशन करवाया जाता है हर सप्ताह। आपको देखना है कि कौन सा स्टूडेंट जो है सबसे बढ़िया इंग्लिश बोल रहा है। आपको उसका नाम लिखना है कमेंट बॉक्स में। जिनको सबसे ज़्यादा वोट मिलेगा वो होंगे इस कंपटीशन के विनर। आपको क्या फ़ायदा है अगर आप इस वीडियो को पूरा देखते हैं, अलग अलग लोग किस तरह इंग्लिश बोल रहे हैं, आपको आइडिया मिलेगा और आपको एक इंग्लिश का इन्वायरमेंट मिलेगा, जिससे कि आपके दिमाग में इंग्लिश रिकॉर्ड होगा और आप बहुत जल्द इंग्लिश को बोलना सीख सकेंगे। वीडियो को पूरा देखिए और बेस्ट स्पीकर का नाम कमेंट में लिखिए और ख़ुद से पूछिए कि हम उससे बढ़िया इंग्लिश कैसे बोल सकते हैं। थैंक यू।
Hello friends, hello, my name is Diwakar Kumar Goswami. I live in Gomochirabad and I am 10 years old, and this time I am speaking about winning attitude. It is the very good attitude, and if you have this attitude then you can get success in your life. And most of the people tell that I am losing a lot of matches, how can I win? He if he had this attitude then he can win the match, and without it you can't become anything. And winning attitude is very important in our life, and most of the people are losing a lot of match. They tell that I am losing a lot of match, and if I will play end to end match then all people will tell me that you are a loser, you are losing a lot of match, so I want to play it. It is not a winning attitude. If you win anything then you tell that I don't do very good thing, I should do well it. Thank you, bye friends, bye.
Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. I'm also fit and fine. My name is Hemant Patel and I am from Gujarat. So today guys, I am here to speak about a wonderful topic. I hope you like my topic and video. So let's start. My topic is winning attitude. Let's start. Winning attitude is very important in our life, because if we have winning attitude then we can do anything in our life. But we don't have winning attitude, then we can lose our hopes. So winning attitude is very important. It helps us to become successful, and winning attitude pushes us towards the success. So we must have winning attitude. There are many examples I have to explain this topic, like Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Thomas Alva Edison, our cricketer Virat Kohli, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, uh, and many more examples to explain this topic, because they never gave up in their life because of winning attitude. They always have winning attitude, and today we all are known as a great leaders, great cricketers. So winning attitude is very important.
Good evening everyone, this is Shubhasula from UP. Topic of the week, winning attitude. So let's start. It is the best attitude. If you want to win, you should have this attitude. You can achieve anything if you have this attitude. People, they are highly successful, they have this attitude. All failures teach you something. Always bears in mind that your own resolution to succeed is more important than any other one thing. A winning attitude is a mindset characterized by optimism and productive approach to challenges, focusing on growth and success.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Aman Kumar, and today I'm here to speak about one topic. I hope you liked my video. So let's start. So today I'm here to speak about one topic. The topic name is winning attitude. You can know that winning attitude is very important in our life. Without it, we can't achieve anything in our life, or even success also. We can't achieve without attitude. You should keep this attitude to achieve goals and succeed in your life. When you are success in your life, you should keep this attitude, and it helps you to aim more and more, and you should be the be the powerful man in your life, and it helps you to believe in yourself, that the attitude said that never give up in your life. So you should never give up in your life. So you should keep this attitude, and in society the people, they respect you if you keep this attitude, because they think that he is very nice guy. So you should keep this attitude, and